My name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about what a landlord is actually responsible for fixing at a tenant's property. So this issue comes up a lot. A tenant will contact an attorney, maybe myself, and say the landlord's not doing what they're supposed to be doing. My property is unfit to live in. I can't believe I live there. And so what I always ask them is, okay, well, do you have the ability to move out? What's the status of the lease? But the main issue they're asking about is failure to supply essential services. And that's all a landlord is required to do under Tennessee Code Annotated 66-28-502. And it says that a landlord has to provide gas, heat, electricity, and other items that affect the safety and health of the tenant. So what does that mean? Well, it's a little vague, but generally it will be electricity, running water, heat and AC, those kind of things that affect the safety and health of the tenant. Other than that, the landlord is not responsible for replacing light bulbs, fixing things that are not material to the tenant's health and safety. So when a tenant gets upset about a landlord fixing things, they have to know that pursuant to the law, those are the only things that are required to be fixed. If there's a hole in the floor, that's not good. You know, would you love for it to be fixed? Sure, but unless it affects the health and safety of the tenant, it's not a requirement for the landlord to fix it. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can find me on Facebook and Twitter. You can also view my other YouTube videos.